Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to buy insurance online easily and efficiently, Lemonade is a great option. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of acquiring instant insurance coverage with Lemonade so you can get the protection you need without any hassle. Step 1. Visit the Lemonade website or download the app. Start by visiting the official Lemonade website or downloading their mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. The platform is user-friendly and designed for a seamless experience. Step 2. Choose your insurance type. Once you're on the home page, you'll see different insurance products including renters, homeowners, pet, and life insurance. Click on the type of insurance that fits your needs. Each option will provide detailed information to help you understand what's covered. Step 3. Get started. After selecting your insurance type, click on the Get a Quote button. You'll be prompted to answer a few questions related to your situation. For example, if you're applying for renter's insurance, you may need to provide details about your living situation and possessions. Step 4. Provide your information. Lemonade will ask for basic personal information such as your name, address, and email. This helps them personalize your quote and ensure all details are accurate for your coverage. Step 5. Customize your coverage. Next, you'll see different coverage options and add-ons. Adjust the coverage limits and select any additional features you might want. Lemonade's platform allows you to customize your insurance to fit your specific needs, whether you want more coverage for valuables or additional liability protection. Step 6. Review your quote. Once you've selected your coverage options, Lemonade will generate a quote for you to review. Take your time to look over the details, ensuring everything matches your expectations and requirements. Step 7. Complete the application. If you're happy with the quote, proceed to complete the application. You'll need to provide payment information to finalize your policy and activate your coverage. Step 8. Receive your policy. After your payment is processed, Lemonade will send you a digital copy of your insurance policy via email. You can also access this through the app, giving you quick access to your important documents anytime you need them. Step 9. Contact support if needed. If you have any questions or need assistance during the process, Lemonade offers a chat feature within their app and website. Their customer support team is available to help you with any concerns you may have. Don't forget, with Lemonade, you can manage your policy directly from the app, making changes or filing claims as necessary. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this step-by-step guide has made it easier for you to buy insurance online with Lemonade. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.